Yo, evening. It's about, I'd say, about 6 o'clock, and we've reached the top of a peak here in the National Park of the Mountains of Malaga. Absolutely beautiful. I've got to say, this is one of the nicest places that I've visited, particularly in Europe. Totally pristine, lovely houses all around, all doing sustainable subsistence farming. You can saw the goats earlier. That's the farm over there. You can hear the goats from here. Those are all the mountains around where we came from this morning, right over there. In fact, it's those over there is where we came from this morning. I'll show you the exact one. It is over there. There we are. There. Those. Beautiful place, man. It's a little paradise. Reminds me of where she was brought up as a child in the Caribbean. That island called Carriacou. And it is a bit like that. Wonderful. The sun's going down, so we need to pop a little camp out quickly before it gets too cold. Mimi's gone along the track to have a look and see what's further on. Usually, the further you go on the track, the better the campsite is, more private. Now, this is a track that sometimes four-wheel drives come along, but not often by the look of it. There's not many vehicles been on here recently. You can tell by the tracks. There's grass growing. Wow. This area is basically a gem of a place. These people that live here are very fortunate. No industrial farming around here. No pesticides, chemicals. The air's clean. There's a variety of different fruit and nut trees, ranging from almonds, oranges, lemons, all types of herbs. There's oak trees. Fantastic. Maybe it's picking herbs right now. These are herbs that are well known in Morocco. Some of these smells like lavender. This one smells like lavender. They're so strong. Beautiful. But yeah, the track carries on here. Mimi says it goes to a precipice. So we'll have a look, because yes, and that's why the vehicles don't come on here very often, because there's nowhere to go for them. Let's have a look. Oh, it smells gorgeous around here. The herbs are so strong. Wow. That's the road down there that we came up. The valleys below. And all around the mountains. Fantastic. But yeah, brilliant. One of the nicest places I've seen. So we're very happy and glad that we've reached here today. Oh, it smells gorgeous here. This one particularly. Let me look at this. Oh yeah. Wow. Beautiful. Gosh, you can season your food beautifully around here. Yeah. Anyway, we'll take a walk back down and see where we can put ourselves for the morning sun. The sun's setting down there in the west. So it means it's going to rise over there in the east. All right. And that's south down there, north over there. So we'll place our tent where we get the morning sun from the east, which is over here, back where the bikes are. Yeah. Wow, dudes. All right. There's loads of herbs up there, Mimi, that smell so strong. It's got, the whole place is smelling like a perfume shop. Anyway, yeah. Brilliant. Yeah. Lots of almond trees. There's loads of these around here. And yeah, this place where we've parked our bikes is the best spot to put a tent for the night, because we'll get the sun in the morning straight on us. So here, nice ground, should make a comfortable ground to lay on. Yeah. Nice, huh? Yeah.